Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-BS1H box camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings and you don't have access to a screen or anything like that, so you need to do it straight from the buttons. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not responding or frozen or something like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, as you know, there's a lot of different settings on here. So if you're just trying to get them all back to the way they were when it came out of the box, we can do that really easily. So all you need to do is, on the camera, you're just going to press the Q menu, the FN2 and the FN3 buttons all at the same time. After you hold them all at the same time, you should see the camera start to blink, and it will start to blink, and it will blink for approximately 5 seconds. The camera will turn off and then turn back on, and after that it will be reset. The recording settings, network settings, custom settings will all be restored to their factory defaults.